What I found really good about HfM is that they're true to their word. When I first found their site online, it said friendly, fair-priced accountancy, help and advice, and that's exactly what I've received working with Ian and his team. I needed to make some decisions around my business in a very short space of time, and I found Ian online and contacted them via the website, and within 24 hours he got back to me. We'd had a conversation and he gave me some advice which allowed me to make some really important decisions around my business moving forward. My experience is sort of, you get the image of accountants as being quite scary, and that's completely the opposite with HfM. They're quite open-hearted and explain things in a way that's easy to understand if you're not quite familiar with sort of taxation and tax law and those, all of the terminology. So they make tax simple.
What I've found is that over the years I've had various, not great issues, but occasionally HMRC will write out to me with queries and questions, demands on occasions, and I've always found that I can contact HfM and that they come back to me very quickly with an answer, even if it's just putting my mind at rest and saying, look, just ignore this letter, or we can deal with that. They're always very quick to respond, and I think that's really, really helpful. So there's a strong sense of getting a personal service, I think, from HfM.
HfM for us are friends, accessible when we need them, trouble-free, inexpensive, just very helpful at all levels, really, helping us to do what we do without having to worry about what they do. Chatting with Ian Marlowe is extremely illuminating when it has to do with our future direction and the way the business is going to develop.
I certainly would want to recommend HfM as a provider of accounting services for perhaps someone who's self-employed or setting up a business for the first time, who wants things explained to them, wants to understand the mechanics of HMRC systems. And yes, I've always found HfM really superb in that, particularly in that sort of area.